Welcome to No Limit Views channel. Buckle up because we're about to take you on a breathtaking flight. At sunset, soaring over the Athenian suburb of Alamos seafront. Feast your eyes on the golden glow illuminating Alamos Beach. See the Ively bars, buzzing with energy. Their fairy lights twinkling like stars. Pan across the plaza where laughter spills out from bustling cafes. Glide over the sleek yachts lining the Alamos Marina, their hulls catching the fading light. Spot the twinkling tapestry of Athens' southern suburbs creeping up the slopes of Mount Hymettus. Its silhouette a majestic backdrop. Take a deep breath as we unveil the breathtaking panorama of Athens itself. The cityscape stretches out like a glittering sea of lights, each building a tiny beacon in the twilight. Look further and catch a glimpse of the bustling port of Piraeus. Witness the Saronic Gulf, a vast expanse of deep blue reflecting the last embrace of day. See a part of northeastern Peloponnese and the island of Aegina, these far silhouettes of serenity against the darkening sky. Witness the majestic Poseidonos Avenue, a shimmering ribbon of light against the darkening sea. This is a drone footage from Alamos at sunset, the place where the energy of the city meets the tranquility of the sea. It's a feast for the senses, a glimpse into a world of endless possibilities. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this stunning aerial adventure. If you did, hit that like button. Leave a comment below telling us what you loved most. Share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the No Limit Views channel for more breathtaking journeys.